Please join me as I dive into the mind-blowing idea that we are made from stardust. The concept that we are made from stardust is fascinating and mind-boggling. But what does it mean? Well, it means that the very matter that makes up our bodies, the atoms that construct our cells, the oxygen we breathe, and even the carbon in our skin, all originated from the heart of stars. Have you ever stopped to think about how we came to exist? I mean, really think about it. We're these complex, conscious beings walking around on this planet, and yet, our origins are shrouded in mystery. It's a challenge to wrap our heads around the idea that we're not just isolated entities, but rather, we're connected to something much greater than ourselves, the universe. The universe has a way of humbling us, doesn't it? It puts things into perspective. When we try to understand our origins, we're forced to confront the vastness of space and time. It's overwhelming, but it's also what makes it so intriguing. After all, the matter that makes up our bodies didn't just magically appear out of thin air. There's a story behind it, a story that's been unfolding for billions of years. As we delve deeper into the mystery of our origins, we're led to the role of stars in creating the elements that make up our bodies. It's a process that's both violent and beautiful. Stars cook up elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron in their cores, and when they die, they scatter these elements across the galaxy. It's a cosmic game of catch, where the universe is constantly recycling and reusing the building blocks of life. This process of nuclear fusion gives rise to the periodic table, the very foundation of chemistry. It's what allows us to exist, to think, and to explore the universe. Without stars, we wouldn't have the elements necessary for life. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? We owe our existence to these celestial furnaces. As we explore the scientific background of element creation, we're struck by the sheer scale of it all. The universe is a vast, interconnected web where every thread is connected to the next. The elements that make up our bodies have a cosmic history, one that spans billions of years and countless light years. Every atom in our bodies has been forged in the heart of a star, and that's a staggering truth. This profound cosmic connection challenges our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. We're not just isolated beings, but an integral part of the universe's grand tapestry. Every time we look up at the stars, we gaze at the elements that make us who we are. It's a connection that's both humbling and empowering. Every atom in our bodies has a story to tell, a tale of cosmic origins and celestial journeys. We're a part of something much more significant than ourselves, something that transcends our petty human squabbles and national borders. We're a part of the universe, and the universe is a part of us. In conclusion, the journey from stars to our existence is one that's full of wonder and awe. It's a reminder of our cosmic connection and the importance of understanding our place in the universe. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the cosmos, we're forced to confront our own humanity, and that's a journey worth taking. What do you think about our cosmic origins? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're interested in learning more about the universe, be sure to check out our next video as we ponder the nature of reality.